Hey Jacob, it's Viola here. How you doing? I wanted to quickly go through your website here, go through a couple of your competitors, and then talk about a couple of things I can help you with. So for starters, I noticed you do have your phone number here. It is, however, not a clickable call to action. So I'm going to suggest that you make this clickable because 99% of the people that land on your website will be using their mobile phone. So you definitely want to make it easy for them to be able to reach out to someone. Let's keep going. All right, click for free. That's good. We have a link there. Good. Reviews and to submit. Okay, and that's it. So Google likes to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the home page, and that's for two reasons. The first reason is because Google has crawlers, and they're crawling the site because they're trying to figure out what areas you serve and what services you offer. So, for example, if you had on here bold water heater replacement Atlanta, a bunch of times, Google is going to be willing to put you higher up in the search results so more people will be able to find you. So if you had it here, if you had it in other places where there will be more content, and also you'll be able to outrank your competitors. So for example, if somebody goes to Google and they type in water heater replacement Atlanta, the first thing we see are the Google paid ads. And then we see the section down here, which is what we call the map pack. And these top three businesses are getting the bulk of the leads that are coming in for this search. And the strategy to win here is really to find out, Jacob, how many citations, and all a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed throughout different directories across the World Wide Web. So how many different directories does Atlanta Water Heaters have their business listed in? So for example, if they have 300, then you want to get at least 350 so you know you're outranking them every single month after month after month, right? Because you and I both know if we click on this, we're going to find about 10 other pages of businesses that are doing the same thing that you're doing in the same area, but nobody goes past page one for anything, especially when it's a service-based business like yours, right? Then you have this section down here. This is the organic section. I don't care about Yelp, but let's go ahead and take a look at this page that RS Andrews has running for their, specifically for the water heater service, right? So let's take a look. So first thing is, they definitely have a lot of outreach up here. Okay. They have a lot more content on theirs. Okay, so I would say if you add at least 2,000 words on that homepage, you definitely be able to outrank them in regards to content. But notice what they have a bunch of times. Reliable water heater service in Atlanta, Georgia. Water heater repair in Atlanta, Georgia. So it's very clear what they're doing and where they're doing it. So you do that on your page, you could beat them when it comes to content. But let's go ahead and take a look at this tool that I use called RS to figure out what else they're using to pretty much rank highly in that area. So quick rundown. First thing you see here is a DR. The DR is a power flow from Google, and the UR essentially is a trust flow. And both of these numbers are increased by something called a backlink. And all a backlink simply is an endorsement from another company that has a clickable link on it. And when someone clicks on it, it passes them over with some trust and some power over to your site. So basically, another website that has a clickable link on it, when someone clicks on it, it takes them to your site. That's all a backlink simply is, and it passes power and trust. This is clickable. I could go in here and see what's working for them and how it could work for you. But Jacob, I really want to get in front of these keywords by keeping this video under 5 minutes. So first thing I notice here, Atlanta water heater repair, right? So it tells us that 150 people look for this keyword on a monthly basis. This company is in a number 2 position for this keyword, and they get 28 calls per month just from this one keyword. Now understand, this is not just RS Andrews, the entire site. This is this specific page that we're referring to, not the entire site. All right, then you have water heater repair Atlanta, totally different keyword. 150 people look for that per month. They're in the number 5 position for this keyword, and they get 16 calls per month for that keyword. So these are the type of keywords that you want to have integrated into that homepage of yours, because the more people that are going to be able to find your website is going to turn into the more calls you're going to get, and that's going to turn into more clients that you're going to be able to land. So that's going to make a huge difference. Lastly, I want to show you your business in the same tool, hotterwater.com. Congrats, because I think it's a fairly new business, so congratulations to you on all of it. And this is very normal for very typical for a business that hasn't really been represented by a marketing company or a marketer or anything like that. So to get a few steps ahead, Jacob, all you really have to do is go ahead and get the content into that homepage, add the specific keyword keywords into the content, and then get some powerful backlinks to back that content up so they power up your website. Okay, that's all that I have for you. I really hope you found this helpful. And if you need some assistance with it, or you have any questions, or even just give me some feedback, I'd love to hear what you think. All right. Thanks so much, Jacob. You have a good day. Take care.